Guys, welcome back to my channel, Clary B, mummy of 3. Hello if you're new and welcome if you are returning. So today is Friday. It's my Friday focus day of the Organised Mum method. I've done a week of it now. I can say I am a fan of it. I will be continuing it and I would definitely recommend it. I have picked my Friday focus to be my dining room chairs. Now, you might think that I've had a busy day today, so I haven't actually had time to do it yet. And it's 9:20 and the kids are currently having a shower, or one of them is, and I've got to get the other two sorted because we've been out for dinner this evening, which is why I don't look a complete mess, because I've just come home, I've put my dressing gown on, but I have actually looked like a human being today rather than like a troll that's been dragged through a hedge backwards. So I have done all my level 1 jobs. I just need to quickly run the hoover around the necessary bits and just do my chairs, which I'll do once the kids are in bed, because then I've got some time once they're in bed. So that's my exciting Friday evening once I got home from going out for dinner. So yes, I really have found this method to keep me organised, keep me more focused, stop me procrastinating from the jobs that I need to do, which was, you know, the more you procrastinate, the longer anything takes you, obviously. But, you know, if you're like working to a timer, if you're trying to beat the clock, if you're trying to get it down, you know, quicker than what you did previously, it's just good. It's just a good method, especially if like my anxiety is tied wholly to how clean or dirty my house is. So when my house is in disarray, like my mind is all raw and I can't cope, and then I get stressed, and that's when I just like fall to pieces. But when I have like a handle on my house, I feel like I can cope with my life a lot better. That might sound really sad, but that's how my anxiety works anyway and manifests itself. So I'm a big fan of this method. I will be doing it going forward, and I hope that it might have inspired you guys to give it a try. And if it does, please leave me some comments in any of my videos to let me know how you get on with it. Definitely check out the book. My friend has just finished the Organised Mum Method book, and I have been past it today, so I'll be starting to read that over the weekend. She said it was amazing, so I'm looking forward to it. And hello, Lily. Oh, hello. And she's got a Facebook group, she's on Instagram, she's got videos on YouTube, and just a regular website as well. If you type in the Organised Mum Method, her website will come up, and there are free printables on there for what you need to clean, when you need to clean it. I think there's all sorts of stuff. There's even an app, I believe, that you can download and become part of. So she's, you know, Gemma Bray, she's a wonderful woman. And I do enjoy her YouTube videos. Lily, please don't do that. So on this note, I hope you've enjoyed this week's review of how I'm getting on with it. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching and take care. Bye.